What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you don't have Fetch Rewards, you can click the link in the description down below and claim $5 when you sign up. Again, that's $5 for free, just click the link in the description down below. Okay, so now that you made your $5 for free, let's get right on with the video. So here we are in Fetch Rewards, and as you just saw, I have 48,000 points, which is equal to $48. So basically what you do is scan your receipts and they will give you cash back in the form of gift cards. Obviously, you want to scan a real receipt, not like I did there. You can also connect your account to Amazon and earn points every time you buy something. Here's all the points I got from Amazon. It's not a lot, but they add up. And when you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see how many points I actually earned from receipts, which is a lot more than Amazon. You can redeem your points for all types of gift cards like you see here. Also, you can redeem it for Visa. And I'm almost there. I just need a few more points and I can get $50. That'll be really cool. Here you can see all the rewards that I claimed and redeemed. And if you stay till the end, I'll show you one more way to make money using this app. Now is also a great time to leave a like on this video and subscribe if you're not already, and then hit the bell icon. Okay, so the last way to make money is through referring people. So besides for getting $5 just by clicking the link in the description and signing up, you also get $5 for every friend that you refer to the app. So if you haven't already, click the link in the description, use my code, and scan a receipt for $5. Okay, that's it for this video. I try to post 2 times a week. You can watch more here. Also, subscribe if you're not already. I also answer every single comment, so comment down below and I'll see you next time.